Roadmap to become a full-stack developer. Want to build complete web applications from start to finish? That's exactly what a full-stack developer does. A full-stack developer works on both the front end and back end of an application. They handle everything, from designing user interfaces to managing servers and databases. This role is in high demand across startups, tech companies, and product-based organizations. So, how do you get started? First, learn the basics of the web. Understand how the internet works, HTTP, browsers, and how websites are delivered. Then move to front-end development. Learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of every website. Once you're comfortable, pick a front-end framework like React, Angular, or Vue. These help you build dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Next, learn backend development. Choose a language like Node.js, Python, or Java. Understand how servers work and how to handle requests and responses. After that, learn databases. Work with SQL databases like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Now comes integration. Learn how front-end and back-end connect using APIs. This is what makes your application fully functional. As you grow, explore version control with Git and GitHub. This is essential for managing code and collaborating with others. Then, learn deployment. Understand how to host your applications using platforms like AWS, Versal, or Netlify. You should also learn basic DevOps concepts, like C/CD and containerization using Docker. The most important step: build projects. Start with simple apps like to-do lists, blogs, portfolio websites, then move to advanced projects like e-commerce platforms, social media apps. SaaS products. Projects are your proof of skill. But be ready for challenges. Managing both front-end and back-end can feel overwhelming at times. That's why consistency is key. Think like a full-stack developer. Focus on problem-solving, building complete systems, and continuously learning new tools. Because in today's world, the ability to build end-to-end applications is incredibly powerful. Start your journey today and become a full-stack developer building complete digital products.